a great light was among us, and they called us a voodoo cult. As much as you're afraid of voodoo, you don't even realize that when they brought you to church and made you their kind of Christian, that was real voodoo. Did you know that Dessalines, Toussaint Louverture in 1804, with voodoo at their back, they rolled the French out and formed the first black republic in the world, and they've been paying for it ever since. So when they talk to you about African religion, they want to mock African religion. But it was African religion that caused those African people to whip Napoleon's backside. That's right.